Okay, so in this video, I'm going to demonstrate very quickly how you can insert a Schoology video into multiple choice Schoology assessment question. All right, so I'm going to hover till I get the green line. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to insert an assessment. So this is say multiple choice with Screencastify. Enable created. Okay, so I give it a couple of seconds and it builds the assessment. Again, you could go through all of this if you saw the last video, but I'm just going to focus on the questions. So I click on question, multiple choice. So once I'm in multiple choice, the next thing I'm going to do is the question setup. So I can have the question embedded here. So I can say, watch the video clip and tell me, or actually, and choose the emoji that matches what you thought. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to insert the Screencastify video. So what I did is if this was a video, let's say I just recorded a video and this is the one that I want to insert. Usually over here on the right, what I'm going to have is the Schoology Drive, the share, and then the download option. So these three options are going to be on the side. If I drop down the Google Drive option here, it defaults to private, that only you can view it. So the first thing you have to do is you have to switch it to either unlisted or to public. Or I mean, you could even set it to public. Anybody in the world can watch it, but usually what I have it set for is public at NISD. Okay, so that sets the permission of the video. And then from here, you can copy this link. Okay. And yep, so once we have that link copied, I'm going to come back into my Schoology. And so once we're back in the question, I click inside here. I click on the icon with the music note and the calculator. And I'm going to upload a video. So I'm going to click on video player, upload video. And then I'm going to click on more options because I just had the URL and I copied it. So now I'm going to paste the URL. And then I'm going to hit OK. And what it does is it gives us this 480 pixels by 270 pixels. And so this is the size of the player, which is good. I really like that size. So now I'm going to hit OK. And so now the video is in there. The next thing I'm going to do is you can't insert text or icons, and that was in the previous video. But what I'm going to do instead is and show you another way to insert videos, because once you insert video one time, it's pretty similar with assessment. So let's say I didn't have this one. I'm going to close this so that way I can show you how to get there. So let's say you're just in a random site and you wanted to get back to your recordings. So there's two ways you can do it. One way is to go into your drive and then look for the Schoology folder. So you can go into my drive, open this up, and I mean, not Schoology, I'm sorry, Screencastify folder. So you can look for it. Here's the Screencastify folder, and Screencastify creates this automatically in the background, and all of your videos are in here. So you can do that. That's one way to find them, okay, if you wanted to do that. The other way, which is, I think, in my opinion, a little bit faster, is if you're just on a random tab, click on your Screencastify icon, and then when you click on it, you're going to see your recordings. Okay, so right now mine is counting down because I'm recording my desktop, but you can actually click on it and then go into my recordings. Okay, and then you can pull up all of your recordings the same way as you could the other way. So now let's say this was the one that we wanted to insert. You just click on it, it pulls up that video, and then this is the spot that I had mentioned earlier. You want to if you copy it right now, it's just the private link, so people aren't going to be able to see it. So you're going to want to make sure and click on more options and then change it. So mine was already set to public, but this is going to be private by default. So you're going to want to make sure you choose public or unlisted. So once you do that, then you copy the shareable link. So now it's copied. I'm going to go back into my Schoology, and I'm in the answer choices this time. So I'm going to go into the answer choice. I'm going to go into the tool with the music note and the calculator icon. I'm going to put a video in it. So I'm going to click on video player, upload video, more options, and then I'm going to paste that link. I click OK. This is the size of it. That's fine with me. I'm going to hit OK. And so now it's in here. And I'm going to go ahead and insert an image in here too. So in the previous video, I showed how to upload an image. And I just so happened that I already have my folder with my icons. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to resize it so that way they are right here on the side, because it's easy for me just to drag and drop those images in there. So I'm going to click on the second answer choice. And then I'm going to go into the picture icon. Right here, I'm going to drag this laughing icon. Okay, I'm going to put an alternative text. So I'm going to put laughing. And this is a good size, 24 by 24. That's the size of the image. Okay. I'm going to do the third one. I click in there. I click on the picture image. I'm going to pull this one, drop it. Okay, this is smiling. Then I'm going to click OK. And then on the last one, I'm going to put this one. Oh, I forgot to do one thing. I forgot to click on the picture. Now I'm going to drag it, drop it. This is confuse. And then I'm going to click OK. All right, and so now I have my 4 choices. So I have a video, laughing, smiling, and then confused. Now the answers. So right now it defaults to that video as being the first answer. And if that's how you want it, then that's okay. You can just say, okay, that's the answer. But if you want it, since this one is asking for their emotion, how they felt about it, there can actually be 4 different answers. So what you want to do is you have one, and I'm going to hit this plus sign. So this one is going to be an alternate answer. So this one will be the second one. I'm going to click it again. This one will be the third one. And then I'm going to hit it one more time. This one will be the fourth one. So now I have 4 different answers, and every single one of them is correct because I have the 100% up there. And that is all. I'm actually done. So now, right now I'm scrolling up, but it's stuck. It's not letting me go any further. It's hidden behind this thing. Okay, let me move it out of the way. So this is what I was looking for. Sometimes it does hide. And what I do is I might have to increase the view of the window, so that way the save can show up. Make sure you hit save, or else what you just did is not going to be saved. Okay, so here's our question. I'm going to hit preview. I'm going to start the assessment. And here's the question. Watch the clip and choose the emoji that matches your thought. So this is the clip. I could play it. And then this is the answer choice clip. So I can play that too. And then these are the image answer choices. Okay, so that's how you can do those videos. And that's how you can insert Screencastify videos into your Schoology.